What's up, good people? Welcome back to the channel. This is Troy from Troy Creations, and today we got Kakarot. This build personally wasn't my favorite. I think the plastic was pretty cheap, and you guys could kind of see throughout the video that it just wasn't the best of quality. But it was still a fun build. Like I said, I used to do this when I was a kid, and I'm just getting back into it. So let's do it. This is what I was talking about as far as quality goes, or at least one piece of the, conversation of how quality of plastic. I was so pissed when I saw this. It just fell off, and I was like, oh my goodness. It was actually one of the, I guess, male inserts for the hair, but you got to keep on moving, got to keep on pushing and get back to it. So luckily it didn't affect it too much, but like I said, this wasn't. And we are back with the finished product. Look at it. I love the colors. I love the stance, the fighting stance that we have. I love the blue hair. Um, but as far as quality goes, I can't get down with it. I don't respect it. I think Bandai could have did better with the quality for this build. It was very fragile, very cheap, especially in comparison to the Demon Slayer build that I did recently. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and click the link down below. But like I said, the quality just wasn't there. But it looks pretty cool. I do plan on trying to find more Dragon Ball Z characters to build, but as of right now, we got this Kakarot thing going. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. If you liked it, go ahead and hit that like button down below. Go ahead and hit subscribe, and I'm gonna keep videos coming for you guys. Thanks for watching.